Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope so that you all will be fine. You know that we are on chapter number 2 part B. The title of this is Playtime and this is a poem. We have completed its reading and its vocabulary and today we are going to do its exercise. Now look at the exercise. The first one part is A part. This is page number 23 and A part is understanding the poem. Students, the first one part is answer the following questions and you have to give the answers so that it make clear that how much you have understand the poem. The first question is what game is the children playing? From the very first line you come to know that by the garden shed my sister and I were playing a game and I was a spy. They were actually spies on a mission. So the answer of this question will be they are imagining that they are spies on a mission. Now look at B part. What is the mission? Look at the mission. In the very first stanza you come to know I had a mission. I had to get gold from a secret place and that the gold was 2 apples. So the answer will be getting some gold, that are apples. Now look at C part. Who is the giant beast? Now look here student, in the second stanza you can come to know that a giant beast was asleep, but really the beast was my snoozing dad. Actually that beast was their father. So you will write the answer that their father. Now look at part D. What does the child compare the bushes and the wall to? Now look in the very last lines that I passed the bushes twisted like wire and round the low wall glowing warm like fire. So this is the condition that what they are actually looking like. So students, you will give the answer in this way. The bushes are compared to twisted wire. The wall is compared to a warm fire. Now look at part E. What is the safe place or base? Look here in the last stanza. We escaped to our safe place by the shed. So the shed is their safe place. So the answer will be the area next to the garden shed. Now look at F part. What is the dark layer? Look here students. The dark layer is actually just the old garden chair. So you will write the answer, the old garden chair. Now look at G part. What do the children do to celebrate their win? Look at the last one line that we munched on our apples. Oh, what a treat. This is actually the enjoyment they do at the end of their mission. They eat the apples they have got. Now look here students, these questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. H part. Who do you think says, oh, the monster, the beast has got you now? Could anyone else have said it? Students, you have read this sentence in the poem. In the second last stanza, you can look here, oh, the monster, the beast has got you now. So you will write the answer. Either of the girls or their father could have said this. You could act out the poem and put this to test. Now look at I part. Write 2 short accounts describing. Students, you have read whole the poem. There are 2 statements are given and you have to give a short account. You have to give the short story of that. So the first one is what happens in the children's imaginative game. Now look at I part. One spy guards the base while the other tries to sneak past the beast to get the gold. Just after the spy has got the gold, she is caught by the beast. But the 2 spies fight off the beast and escape back to their base. The beast goes back to its lair. This is actually the whole imaginative game which the children has done. Now look at the second statement. What really happens? First they have asked that you have to describe that what's the imaginative game. Now you have to tell us that what really happens. So we have to give the answer in this way. Two sisters are playing a game while their father is relaxing in the garden. One sister tries to sneak past her father to pick apples. Their father joins in the game by pretending to be asleep, catching one of them and play fighting with them. The girls eat apples from the tree and their father goes back to relax in the garden chair. Now look here students, this is part 2. Answer the questions about these lines from the poem. Here 2 lines of the poem are given. I did not notice the beast's beady eye opening slowly. My dad could be sly. The first one question is, who does not notice the beast? The answer will be the girl by the apple tree. B question is, who is the beast? The answer is her father. Part C, how does the poet show us what is really happening? The answer is brackets. Actually, from brackets, the poet is going to tell us and poet shows us that what is really happening. Now look at D part. What happens next? The answer is the father joins in the game and captures the girl. I think so students, the whole exercise of part A is quite clear to you and you have to learn these answers and do your homework. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.